Hi, I'm the Boss Problem Buster, founder of the Pay Raise Commando, a senior organizational consultant of 24 years, having worked across cultures, industries, and ranks. I'm also a social psychologist with a master's and a bachelor's degrees, both with honors. My team and I train past over corporate professionals like you to get that pay raise and promotion you're overdue for, so that you can finally kill your Monday blues before you sink further and bring your inner joy back, which is the best part of my job and the goal of this channel. Kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back. Now, back to the salt mines. What exacerbates this whole mess is that even when you present it to everybody at the office as a mutual breakup, we all know there's never really such a thing as a truly mutual breakup, or maybe there is, but it's extremely rare. Most always there is one who wants the relationship to go on more than the other, and eventually one will initiate the breakup, which will leave the other one deeply hurt. So not exactly mutual. You know it, your coworkers know it, your boss knows it. So if you are the abandoned one, there is yet another compound burden on your psyche, the fourth one. Remember, there was the breakup itself, there is your deteriorating performance, there is your diminished chance to get ahead in terms of the promotion or pay raise or both. So that's three crippling layers. And now there's the fourth one, which is the sheer humiliation of everybody knowing that you are the abandoned one. There's no face saving possible. Everybody knows, everybody's involved. If you don't tell, Schmoopy might. And even if Schmoopy doesn't tell, you wouldn't have to be a particularly busybody to guess the truth. Merely observing your reactions to one another would be enough. So you're an unintentional open book. At least when this happens outside the office, when you are abandoned and betrayed by your partner, you can both maintain better separation of your personal and professional lives and keep your humiliation to yourself and save face at least during work hours. In such a case, work can actually be a refuge. Here, everything is tangled up. If you'd like the full transcript of this video and all the videos on this channel, see the link in the description. It's on our website, bossproblembuster.com, because it's too long to paste here, so not a trick to get you there. But if you do hop over, you'll find many practical reads and a forum where you can discreetly and anonymously ask us anything in regards to landing that promotion and pay raise, to which we reply very quickly. So if you'd like to get a promotion with a pay raise, or a pay raise independent of a promotion, kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back, then subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that we can meet again.